to set a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So from within YouTube itself, on the YouTube homepage, just go ahead and select on the little hamburger menu on the left-hand side here. I already have mine selected, so it's all good to go. Once you've done that, you just go ahead and scroll all the way down till you get to the settings option. And then from here, go all the way down until you get to the Advanced Settings tab. And then from here, you'll go ahead and scroll down until you get to the Custom URL option. And it says you're eligible for a custom URL. Claim it here. If you choose click here, it does say get a custom channel URL. So there's some things that you have to have before you're eligible to get this custom YouTube channel URL. You have to have 100 subscribers or more, be at least 30 days old, and have uploaded a photo as a channel icon, and have uploaded channel art. So myself, I just recently got to 100 subscribers, so thank you for all of you who are watching who have subscribed. I really do appreciate it. I've been uploading videos for over 100 days now. I do have channel art also on my channel and channel icon. So this now means that I can get a custom URL. So I'll go ahead and go back here now that we know how to. And we just go down and click on the you're eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. So now that we've clicked on that, it will then say get a custom URL. Here's how you'll look on YouTube. So it'll be youtube.com/c/howtoal for myself. Now what I can do is I can either select howtoal here, or I can create my own suffix, I guess, for my howtoal YouTube channel. So if I just select on it, then I can go ahead and add characters to the end of it. However, I do like just the regular howtoal, so I'm going to leave it as that. Then I have to select on the I have read and agree to the custom URL terms of use. If you really want to read through that, you can do that yourself. And then select on the change URL option, and it says once you confirm this custom URL, you can't change it again or transfer the URL to someone else. So then you click on confirm choice.
How to verify.
And then there you have it. Your channel now has a custom URL. So if I go ahead and open up a new tab here, and then just type in the custom URL .com/c/howtoal, okay, it will then take you to my channel. So that is how you create and set up your custom URL in YouTube.